For hundreds of millions of years, life has flourished on Earth in astonishing diversity. From tiny microorganisms too small for the human eye to see, to magnificent giants over 10 meters long that dominated the primeval forests and vast oceans. Yet the star of our story today traces its lineage back to the Cretaceous period. Had you lived long enough to witness them? Wait, you thought we were talking about dinosaurs? Then you're in for a surprise. No matter how mighty or fearsome, the beast, its greatest priority is always to feed. And once it has finished eating, yes, that's correct, the unmistakable aroma of fresh state dung.
As you guys who frequently dine upon excrement well understand.
Scent is of vital importance to a dung beetle.